welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I have stained my grout in my hallway and my living room. Now, let me clarify, my floors, although they look like hardwood, they are actually ceramic tile. And the grout had got to looking kind of just, ugh. I don't know if we were using the wrong cleaning supplies or what, but the ones in my daughter's old bedroom really got stained up and just miscolored, and they were horrible. So if you have encountered a situation like that, I'm going to show you the process I have went through to find the perfect grout color and how I have transformed my floors in my hallway and my living room. I hope that this inspires you, but I do want to give a small disclaimer. If you do this, please, please, please listen to me. Please do a small test spot in a very inconspicuous place to make sure your tile is not too porous and absorbs the grout stain. Mine do not, but I do have a friend who tried this. Thank goodness she took my advice, did it in an inconspicuous spot, and realized that her tile absorbed the grout stain, and she was unable to do this to her floors. So that is the biggest piece of advice I have. Get your Epsom salt ready, get your Advil ready, because you're gonna need a nice soak in a hot tub and some Advil when all this is done. It's a lot of hard work, but it goes pretty fast and you see immediate results, which I happen to love. So if this sounds like something you're interested, then just keep watching and let's see how I transform these floors. This is the grout color. Okay, I'm gonna try it right there and we will see. So that is the difference between that and that. That versus that. So I just got the new color in, and I thought it was chocolate, but I actually ordered truffle, which is a dark brown. This is where I did the other stain. So I'm just gonna kind of go right here and try it out. Okay, so that is the truffle right here, right here. That is the black. This is without the flash. Okay, so this up here is the black. This right here is just the straight truffle color. And then this right here, from here to here, is like the mixed part of it. This is the 3-to-1, where I did 3-to-1. And to me, it was still a tad too dark. So what I did was I added two more of the brown, so I made it 5-to-1, and we're gonna go look at that one and that one. Okay, so this is right here. This is the 5-to-1. This is, yeah, I know it still looks dark, but it is much softer. It's like a black brown, if that makes any sense. Like, this is real dark. Y'all see the difference? This is the jet black, and then this is the 5-to-1. And I know it's so hard to tell on camera. If I can just get them both, and it's so hard to tell. But this is the jet black, and then this is the 5-to-1. That's what I like. Okay, yay, finally. much better. And right now I just got it on here. It's still dark because it just got applied, but it will lighten up a little bit. Then I'm gonna mop it. And yeah, it looks so good, y'all. So good. I'm very proud of this color. Very proud of this. There's a lot of excess. I'll have to clean off the tiles, but yeah. Okay, that took me about 30 minutes, maybe, to do that. So I ended up having to pour some in the bowl because that nozzle, I don't know if it gets clogged up or what. I tried toothpick and all that, but so I'll just keep it in there, shake it up real good, and then pour it in just little bits at a time so I can keep the same consistency. But that looks good. And tomorrow I will tackle the living room. And then the weekend we will tackle the bedrooms because it goes fast once you start moving. So I'm very proud of it. It looks good. See, this is what it looks like dry, everything put back together, y'all, and I think it looks so good. It's not harsh like the black, but it's got enough depth that it just kind of all blends together, and I totally am in love with it. Love it so much. That I'm going to tell y'all that I learned doing this floor. I did have to mop it 3 times. I mopped it 3 times. I changed my mop water between each time I mopped it. I used just a little bit of vinegar and a little bit, it's like a pump of Dawn the first time. And then the second time I just used vinegar. And the third time I just used vinegar just to get up any film that was on the floor. I did have to go back with my little sponge, this little sponge. You can see the discoloration on it. And around the grout lines, where it got on the tile and it didn't mop up, I just took my sponge and just scrubbed my tile. This is why you want to check your tile, do a spot in an inconspicuous space, and test this before you start doing your floors, because if your tile is porous, it's gonna suck it up. Mine don't suck it up, and I'm able to wipe it off and scrub it off. But I just take my little sponge, scrub on the tile, you know, just to loosen it up. It comes off really easy. I'm saying scrub, but you really don't have to. Just kind of wipe it, and then I wipe all that off. I've had to do that on several of them, and I even did that in the office a while ago. If you see where your grout line doesn't look as crisp, then you may want to go double check it and maybe scrub around on your tile a little bit just to get any color that's kind of making it look not so fresh. And that's what I did. You'll be able to eyeball it and see. We are. I love it, y'all. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how it turned out. What you're seeing on camera is exactly what it looks like in person. It just blends it all together and just makes it look so much better than those lighter grout lines. The hallway, it's just so beautiful. A lot of work, but so worth it, and I would definitely do it all over again, which I'm going to. I have to do the master and guest room. Those still have to be done, but this is it. What do you think? I love it. I think it is so beautiful, and it's the perfect color. A little trial and error, but we got there. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you some inspiration. If you didn't know about this, maybe you've learned something, and maybe you want to try this for yourself. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.